Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In this user interface part 3 tutorial, we are going to discuss about Command Manager tabs, workspace options, model tree tab and status bar. Let's start the session. We will see about Command Manager. The highlighted tab is the Command Manager. This tab can be opened or closed by checking or unchecking the Enable Command Manager option. In Use Large Buttons with Text option, we can see all the options with its description. If we uncheck the option, in command bars it will show only the icon. By placing mouse pointer on any icon for a few seconds, we can see its description. In Tab Option drop-down menu, we can add or remove various toolbars by checking or unchecking the toolbar option. In Toolbar Option drop-down menu, we can create various toolbars as a floating toolbars, so that it will be a time-saving option while we're using a toolbar repeatedly. This Customize option is same as we saw in Options menu. The highlighted area is the model tree. In this we can see what are the various features added in our model. In History tab, we can see the list of features used to generate our model. Next one is Sensor. Before going into it, I will explain how to assign material to our model. In the Solidworks, predefined materials are there, such as steel, plastics, rubber, wood and so on. Based upon our requirements we can assign to our model. Now we enter into Sensor tab. Here we can see various types. Based upon the sensor type, its property and value also gets changed. In Annotation tab, if we set our 2D information in the respective views, such as GD and T, datum plane details, so it will get reflected in drawings. In Solid Bodies, we can see the number of solid bodies available in our model. In Materials tab, we can even customize the material property. This is by copying the pre-existing materials, which is similar to our new material, and then paste it in Custom Material tab. Now we can be able to make changes in the material property and save it. Normally there will be 3 planes in the combination of X, Y, YZ and ZX axis. That combined planes are also called as front plane, top plane and side plane. While clicking on the plane icon, it will show some options that are related to its editing features. It will be more useful in modeling. Origin is the base for each and every data representing on model. From the origin point only, our model will get generated by coordinate values of x, y, z. It is the coordinate symbol. From that we can identify our model as pointing out, in which orientation. Next we see about rollout option. In this we can be able to review our model in a step-by-step process. What are the operations made in our model? About Property tab, Configuration tab, Dim Expert tab, I will explain in separate video. Next we will see about Workspace. In this we can access and visualize our model. For zoom in and zoom out, use mouse scroll button. For rotating, move your mouse by pressing scroll button. For pan, press Ctrl and move your mouse by pressing scroll button. First we will see about zoom to fit. In this we can be able to view the model to get fit in the workspace window, if we are accidentally over-zoomed in or zoomed out. In zoom to area, we can be able to zoom specific area by selecting required zone. It will be very useful in working complex assemblies. In previous view option, we can be able to view our previous view. Next we see about section view. First we see about planar selection method. In show section cap option, we can be able to view the model section zone as a closed body, or otherwise it will show as hollow. Next one is keep cap color. This option is used for highlighting the section zone. We can also manipulate the section plane orientation by adjusting the values. We can also change the color of section plane. Also we can add few more sectional planes to the model. Here we can make sections to the selected components in the assembly. Even we can include or exclude the selected components. In transparently section components, the section type must be zonal type. Then we can visualize the sectioned area by making transparent the other area, and we can adjust the transparency level. Next we will see about view orientation. In this we can be able to view our model in front, back, top, bottom and side. Here an imaginary boundary box will come. While clicking on its face we can get into that view. Shortcut key for the imaginary view box is spacebar button. Here are the number of windows options there, like single window, horizontal window, vertical window and 4 window. The Normal to option is used for setting up any of the model flat face normal to the screen. Here we can see isometric, dimetric and trimetric options. Normally in industrial standards we will use isometric. In more options, we can customize the views. Previous view we already seen. Next one is new view. In this we can create a new view with the model's current orientation. Next one is update standard views. In this we can customize our current view to the standard view. Let me show you some example. Also we can reset these views to standard by this reset standard view option. Next one is display styles. In this various types are there. First one is shaded with edges. In this the model edges and shades will be displayed. Second one is shaded. In this only shades will be displayed. Third one is hidden lines removed. Fourth one is hidden lines visible. Fifth one is wireframe. Next one is hide all types. In this we can be able to hide or show various datums. In edit appearance option, we can be able to apply colors, textures and decals to the model. We can apply color to entire model or a single face. We can apply color to a specific feature. In Apply Scene option, we can apply various backgrounds to our workspace. Let me show how to apply decals. We can apply textures by drag and drop image to the workspace. How we can remove decals. Next we will see about view settings options. In Solidworks Resource tab, we can see the available tutorials and so on. In Design Library we can see the available fastener datas. In File Explorer we can see our folder access options. The 3D view is similar to the View Creation and Orientation tab. We can take and snap on the view and then we can save its orientation. Next one is Unit tab. In this we can change the measurement units. Further, we can modify its decimal values. Here we completed the user interface topic. I think you gotten better understanding. If you have any doubts, please send your queries in comment box. In next tutorial we will see on modeling topics. Thank you very much.